As the final wire was cut, the tension released suddenly, causing the steel plate to spring forward with unexpected force and make contact with the worker. This close call is a reminder that stored energy in materials under tension can be unpredictable. Workers should always use the right cutting tools, maintain a safe distance when releasing restraints, and secure loads properly to avoid sudden movement. Following these precautions helps prevent serious workplace hazard inside a storage facility. A crane unloading a large bundle of steel bars onto a truck. As the load was being positioned, he began untying the securing chains. When the crane lifted one of the chains, it became caught, causing the steel bars to shift suddenly. In that moment, the worker was caught between two bundles. This situation highlights the importance of safe unloading procedures. Workers should never remain between unsecured loads, and cranes must only lift after ensuring chains and hooks are fully clear. Using proper signaling, barriers, and safe positioning can prevent these incidents and ensure everyone goes home safe at the end of the shift. A truck was transporting a large steel coil securely placed on its trailer as a nearby car drifted out of its lane. The truck driver had to brake sharply. The sudden stop caused the massive coil to roll forward, breaking free and dropping onto the road. It continued into another truck ahead, creating a dangerous moment for everyone nearby. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the scene showed just how quickly road conditions can change. When hauling heavy round cargo like steel coils, use proper chocks and restraints to prevent movement under sudden braking. On the road, load security is just as important as careful driving. A worker was attempting to release the securing wires on a heavy steel roll. A fire began in one of the rooms, likely caused by an electrical fault. At first it was more, but smoke and flames quickly grew. A worker rushed in with a water hose trying to contain it, but the flames kept spreading. Within moments, the fire moved beyond the room, igniting nearby stored goods and rapidly escalating across the warehouse. The situation became intense, showing how fast fire can overtake an unprepared space. Electrical safety checks and proper fire suppression systems are essential in storage areas. Quick access to the right type of extinguisher can stop a small spark from becoming a warehouse-wide emergency. 3 forklifts were being used together to lift and move a massive steel plate. For a moment, everything seemed under control until the forks of the middle forklift gave way. The sudden loss of support caused the neighboring forklifts to tilt under the pressure, and the heavy plate came crashing down. This incident highlights a critical lesson. Forklifts are designed for individual loads, not for combined lifting unless proper attachments and safety measures are in place. Equipment limitations, weight distribution, and load stability must always be considered before attempting such operations. Careful planning and adherence to manufacturer guidelines are the best way to prevent dangerous situations like this. In a workyard, a large steel section was being moved with the help of a crane. The worker secured it using a rope and the crane's hook, but the rope was positioned dangerously close to the hook's edge. As he guided the crane toward its destination, the load shifted. The rope slipped free, and the heavy steel section dropped suddenly, missing the worker by just inches. It was a split-second escape from what could have been a serious incident. Always use proper rigging gear and ensure hooks are fully engaged before lifting. A secure connection is the first step in keeping both workers and loads safe during crane operations. Inside a steel factory, a worker was helping guide